Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a floating rotatable dock in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Circle Dock, and on the first list you will see one website, Circle Dock download. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option to download this application. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open this extracted folder. Now we'll see here Circle Dock application. Just double click on it. So now you can see a circular separate dock. So in order to add the respective files, folders or any applications here on this dock, what you need to do is you can just drag it here, as you can see. So let me add some images also here. Let me add the drive also here. So now just rotate your mouse wheel. So now you can see here it's rotating, and if you want to view or open the respective files or applications or drives, just click on, then it will show up. And if you want to show back the Circle Dock, then just press your mouse wheel once. Now it will show back. Now in order to access the settings of the Circle Dock, just place your mouse cursor on the center and just right mouse click. Now you'll see here various options: hide, add. You can add a dock folder, blank icon, change icon, icon replacement mode, force mouse toggling, settings, and quit. Now let us check out the settings. Now under the settings you will see a tons of options. First option is a general. So under general you will see here various options to enable dock rotation and different options here. And next option is a dock shape. You can resize the number of icons. You can decrease the minimum radius separation between circles, formats that you can get inside the dock shape. Next is a background. You can change the background image also by just clicking on here, and you can adjust the normal size, normal opacity, everything under the background. Next option is a center button. You can change the button icon also and even the normal opacity, normal size inside the center button. Next is a dock items. So you can see here various options. Next is a labels. You can change the font colors, shadow, everything inside the labels. Next is animation. You can increase or decrease the animation speeds, everything here. Next is the locations, and next is toggling. So here you can use some hotkeys to enable or disable this Circle Dock. So by default you can see your mouse button has been selected, toggle visibility mouse button. You can change everything here depending upon your needs, so I'll just keep it as it is here, and below there are some more options that you can check out by yourself. Next is a file or dock icon associations here. Next is a language. So here if you don't understand the English language, then you can just click on here and you can use the various languages which were more comfortable for you here. And next is about the applications here, about the developers, everything. And the last one is help about this application. So these are the things you will gonna get inside the settings. So if you want to hide this Circle Dock, then just press or click your mouse wheel button and just click on your mouse wheel again once, and it will show up. Then you can drag and place anywhere wherever you like to place it. And if you want to rotate, just scroll your mouse wheel clockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever you like. So by using this application named as Circle Dock, you can easily get a floating rotatable dock in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.